Hi everyone, this is Josh Blatt with BW Modern. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to put together your oven cabinet. This is going to be for single or double ovens. It all kind of works the same. So after you've selected the appliance that you're going to use in your kitchen, you can go through, you can get some vital measurements off of it, and we can create our oven cabinet. So today I've selected this KitchenAid Smart Oven, 30-inch. It's a nice oven. It will go along with the refrigerator we just did in the last video. So what we want to do is we want to go digging and looking for some specifications for this thing. So one of the features we do offer at BW Modern is if you supply us with your appliance list, we're going to really dial in those appliance cabinets for you. And the oven cabinet is one of the ones that in specific can get pretty involved as far as getting it to look right. So you can see here there's a lot of different specifications on this to get it a flush custom oven look that you're just not going to have the ability to do through the website. But we can get it really close in the designer, and then I'll show you guys how to upload your appliance list so we can dial this in for you to make this cabinet really seamless and work perfect. So let's go back into the 3D designer, and the first thing I'm going to do to achieve this is I'm going to grab my oven cabinet. And so we're going to grab a 30-inch oven cabinet because we got a 30-inch wall oven. I'm going to bring it in. I'm just going to snap it right there. That's where I've decided I want to put it. So from there I can change my height to the 96 inches to match my refrigerator. We've got the right width, and we've got the placement stuff like normal, and then we've got some options down here as far as bottom drawer opening height and then bottom opening. So as you can see right now, this is at 50 and this is at 8. So we can do a couple things here to get your design that you're looking at, that you're working with, really close to what it needs to be. And then, like I said, we'll take the final steps to make sure this oven thing works perfect for you. But what we want to do here is we're going to make the sizing what we want. So I'm going to make my bottom drawer 12 just because I think it's a little nicer having a little bit bigger bottom drawer. And then I'm going to find the overall height of this oven. So I'm going to go to here, and this wasn't very descriptive as far as the overall height of the unit anywhere that I could find. But if I go back to the website and I go to specifications and I find the width here is 30 and the height is 51 and a quarter. So I'm going to make my height of this appliance 51 point, let's just say 5. And that's going to give me a 1/4 inch above and below the appliance just for clearance. And that's going to be, as close as I'm really going to take it in the 3D designer. Like I said, when you upload your appliance list, we'll make this work perfect. But this is going to be really, relatively perfect to what it's going to be. But we're going to just make the inside of that cabinet perfect for you guys. So from there, we've got our refrigerator, we've got our oven. We can turn it on and off. We can take our end panel off of this side and drag in another one to create the finished side for our oven cabinet there. And we have our cabinet. So next I'm going to show you guys how to and where to upload your appliance specifications for us in your appliance list. So if I have this at a good spot where I want to do that, if I hit the next button, it's going to take us to the MSRP site where you can, purchase your cabinets and save your project and things like that. Look at the overall list, and I'm going to hit Save Changes just because it's a good habit to always get into. And then over here in your left-hand sidebar, you can see there's a tab called Attachments. Okay, so what I can do is I can, open that Attachments tab, and then I can take my, this appliance, say model or whatever that I want, and I can download it, and it's just going to download it into wherever I want to put it on my desktop or whatever I'm doing. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and it'll go onto my desktop. And then if we go back into here, I can go up to the upload new attachment. I can select the choose file, and it'll take me to wherever I need to go to find it on my File Explorer, and I'm going to select it. and then we can open it and we can upload that file to the project. So right now you can see it's got the spinny wheel going and it's uploading the attachment. See if what it takes here. And it looks like we have it in there. So now we have this attached in there, and we'll be prompted to take a look at it and make sure that your appliance gets put together appropriately per the specification. So we can go back to the design editor by clicking the design editor button, and it'll take us back to our design that we're working on. So this kind of concludes how to put together your oven cabinet in the 3D designer when you guys are building your kitchens.